Okay, good morning, futures traders. This is David on
Order
August
filled.
1st, 2022 on Monday. Just trading. I hit this earlier, the oil, and now the NQ's just fired one off. Come on, hit it.
Order canceled.
Here we go. Here we go. Come on, let's do a little running.
Order filled.
Okay, well, I hit this one here. I'll show you. What did it show? Oh, did I have it on there? Yeah. Well, there it is. I went on a short right here at about 9:15. The time is 9:24. I did that about 15 minutes ago. So okay, so we still got the NQ up and running and the AS. See if we can get the NASDAQ to go down some more.
Order submitted.
Here we go. Let's see it go down. There we go.
Order filled. Order canceled. Order canceled.
We got them both. Let's just get a little bit of a runner going here. 8, 9, 90. Come on. 90. 92s. 92s here. 88. That's good. No, 92s.
Order canceled.
Hold off on that one. Come on, keep going down, NASDAQ.
Order canceled.
That's losing its guts. All right, what have we got here? Start on the NASDAQ. Our performance is $5,244, so we're at 51 and 100%. The average was 29.29 seconds. 160,000 for the month. That's not a bad number. Same here on this one. Had a little loser. Let's see here. 225, 2,400 minus the 135. So you're looking at 2,200 roughly. 76,000 for the month. And the ES, that one, 3,500, 122, 34 roughly. 100% winners. 108,000 for the month if you do that. All right, well, that was kind of sweet, short and sweet, but 9:27, I'd say 8-9 minutes, so 10 maybe. All right, well, hey, thank you for watching, and I will keep making the videos, so subscribe.